We are not professionals in the fields of food and cooking or health, and we are not responsible for any of the effects this may cause. In this video we will show you how to make kimchi, which tastes so well, especially in sushi, and we love it. Kimchi is a Korean side dish made from several fermented vegetables. There are several different ways to make kimchi out there, but in this video we will show you how we like to make it. Kimchi is a spicy food and contains chili. Therefore, if you're not a fan of spicy food, you can just cut down on the chili or chili powder. However, you should use a small amount of it because it gives that kick that is a very good taste. First off, what you will need is 3 Chinese cabbages, 2 carrots, 3 scallions, 3 radishes, 1 very large chunk of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of salt, 5 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 deciliters of fish sauce, 4 tablespoons rice flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar. As always, it will be the best if you use organic ingredients. Kimchi has a very exciting taste, and you better have to get used to it if you have not tasted it before. We use it, for example, when we eat chicken, meat, fish, or when we need a snack or want something small. Despite the fact that kimchi is healthy, you should not eat too much of it, because that is not healthy. You should eat it like you do with everything else. You need to have a balance. First, slice the cabbages in size of 1 to 2 centimeters. Then rinse it thoroughly. After that, put all the cabbages in a big bowl. In this video, we're going to use a bucket. But if you're going to use a bucket, you need to be 100% sure that it is clean and that it has never been used for anything else before, except for food like, for example, kimchi. Continue by filling up the bucket with water and fill it until it's full. Leave it for 2 minutes and then drain the bucket. Add the 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it very well. Leave it for 30 minutes and then mix it again with your hands. Do this 3 times and then rinse the cabbages again. We do this in our sink, and if you're going to use the sink, be 100% sure that it's clean. When you put the cabbage into the bucket again, press it so that the water comes out. Cut the ginger so that it will be easier for the blender to mix it with the other ingredients. Cut the chili in small pieces. Make sure that you have a strong and good blender, because most cheap blenders will not cut ginger so well. Add all the ingredients for the sauce in the blender. Let the blender do its thing until the mix is smooth. Fill up a saucepan with half a liter of water. Add the rice flour and sugar and bring it to the boil while stirring. It should look and feel like a thick vanilla sauce. Let it cool over time. Slice the carrot, slice the scallions, and slice the radishes. Mix it with the cabbage. Mix the 2 sauces you have made in the blender. After that, pour everything in the bucket or bowl and mix it all together. Then you need 2 big canning jars that you use for fermentation. It is very important that the canning jar has a rubber band so that air gets out but not in. Fill up the canning jars until you have 1 inch of clearance to the top, but make sure that all the vegetables are covered by the sauce. You should have something that looks like this. Let it stay for 2 to 4 days. When it starts making bubbles, you know that it's done. Taste it, and if you feel a little kick or something weird on your tongue, you know that it's done. Use kimchi as a side dish or as an ingredient in other foods. For example, you can use it in sushi, which tastes amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like this video and hit that nice looking subscribe button for more haircare videos and tips.